In this tutorial, I'll show you how to display overdue tasks in Notion using a simple formula. By the end, you'll have a task database that automatically identifies overdue items so you can quickly see what needs your attention. Open your Notion task database and make sure it includes a due date property. If you don't already have one, add a new property and set its type to date. Next, add another property and choose formula as the property type. Give it a name such as status or overdue. Open the formula editor and paste in the formula you want to use. The formula should compare the task's due date with today's date and return a value such as overdue when the due date has passed or on track when the task is still within its deadline. Save the formula, then return to your database. Notion will automatically calculate the status for every task based on its due date, making it easy to identify overdue items at a glance. If you'd like, you can also create a filtered view that only shows tasks marked as overdue, making it even easier to focus on what needs to be completed first. If the formula doesn't work as expected, make sure your due date property is using the correct date type. Check that the formula references the correct property name and verify that all tasks have a due date assigned. That's how to show overdue tasks in Notion. Thanks for watching.